welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys what I got from Grocery Outlet this week to get back on track. If you follow me on Instagram, Joanna Joy _ Joanna Joy with an I did tell my Instagram stories that this last week was pretty hectic, and I was, because I didn't do a very good job of meal prepping and like making sure I had food, I was doing a lot of like protein shakes and bars, and that's way better than going out and eating fast food, but you know, it's not ideal. And so my goal this week was to make sure that I had food and healthy foods that I could eat during the week when my schedule gets a little bit more hectic. I don't anticipate that it will, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. So I spent $61 at Grocery Outlet. I'm going to show you what I got. I am a firm believer in buying food at the lowest price that you can in the highest quality. And one thing I like about Grocery Outlet is that, you know, you can get organic food for a lower price. So, hi, if you're new here, I'm Jo. I am a certified personal trainer, mindset coach, and I help men and women release their emotional attachment to food and get fit and flourish. And I share all sorts of things on this channel, food, nutrition, exercise, mindset, all that stuff. I did a Vlogmas a while back where I just did a bunch of everything. So this is not just relegated to fitness and health, but that is a main part of this channel. So let us get started. First thing I got was organic asparagus, and they're organic. They were only like $4.99, I believe. So usually I saute these or I put them in my air fryer with some sea salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Next are my Brad's kale chips. I love these as like a snack. So the whole bag is 250 calories and it's got 12 grams of protein. So sometimes if I'm in between clients and I'm not gonna have time, I'll need to, you know, eat lunch a little bit later, I'll have a bag of these. I like it because number one, there's so many vitamins and minerals in a whole bag. You've got your vitamin C, your vitamin K, your vitamin A. Like kale chips are a great snack. And you know, this is not my favorite flavor, just being honest. I prefer just the green one, like I think it's just like regular, but these are cheese it up. They're okay. By the way, you guys, I just got done working out, so I look a mess, and like, honestly, it is what it is. More vegetables. I just got 2 of these because usually I'll use a half of a zucchini for every meal. So these are organic zucchini. So I'll sort of combine that with my asparagus for the week. Now, I'm making a lot of salads now because it's the summer, and these are the Crunchables. And this one is pumpkin seeds and apples. So I just take a little handful and sprinkle it on my salad. Gives it a little crunch, gives it a little fat. And yeah, it just gives it a little extra flavor. You can put this on like oatmeal, salads, and yogurt. But this is a fun way to spice up your salad and make it just a little bit more festive. You guys know I don't believe in bland salads like that. The end of this bag is I just got some immune gummies. I'm usually just like take my greens and reds and I take my my multivitamin pack, but sometimes I do want a gummy. And so I have immune gummies because, you know, people are still getting sick around here. Now, more vegetables. Because I do have sandwich bread, I like to use this as my lettuce. So I'll be using this for salads and lettuce this week. This is organic mixed greens. I believe they have the cheapest price right now at $4.99 at Grocery Outlet. Sometimes it's like that at Safeway too, but it just depends. Next, I haven't been eating a lot of fruit, but one of my missions this summer is to make sure I get in lots of fruits and vegetables for antioxidants. And so these are organic raspberries. And sometimes I just eat a whole packet. Like I'm about to make breakfast right now, and I'm gonna have turkey bacon, which I bought, you'll see that, English muffin, and some raspberries. So great source of antioxidants, carbohydrates. Yes, fruit is carbs. All right, on to the meats. Here is my Welshire turkey bacon. So this is the turkey bacon that I use. It's 94% fat free, minimally processed, no nitrates or nitrites. And so, yeah, I just put this in my air fryer. It's 40 calories per slice, so I usually have 4 slices for a total of 24 grams of protein, so that gives me a serving of protein. So I usually do 4 of these. I bought 2 packets. I think these were only $1.99. Like, what? Grocery outlet, y'all. Grocery outlet, market. No. Okay, last but not least, fajita steak strips, because one of the things I love to make, you guys know this, is teriyaki rice and teriyaki, or like bowls, right? So like this week, I did like a Mexican style bowl, which was just like guacamole, salsa, lettuce, beans, rice, kind of like a Chipotle bowl, out of these fajita strips. Sometimes I'll do teriyaki, so I'll do like just this, ginger, onions, broccoli, not broccoli, what have I been using instead of broccoli? Kale or whatever, and then I'll put some teriyaki sauce. So you can just kind of, what I do with this meat is I cook it bland. So I'll cook it with just sea salt and garlic, and then whatever, depending on the flavor that I'm into, then I'll add some seasoning afterwards. I've also made like soup with this, so kind of like a pho inspired soup. Again, I cook this first, and then, you know, I just season it with like umami and things like that to make up for like that sort of Vietnamese style flavoring. So I am having this for the week as well, and then that's it. So that is my grocery outlet haul for the week. And I just want to tell you guys, like, if you are someone who is like, oh, I keep getting off track, like, that's normal. But the main thing is that you get back on, because life is fitness is a lifetime journey. And I think sometimes people have these perfectionist mindsets where it's like, oh, if I didn't do my eating properly this week, the whole week, then I just, and they just like give up. And it's like, okay, so yesterday was a bad day. Like, just be better tomorrow. And that's really the journey of health and fitness, is just making this a lifelong thing, and not like, well, I have a deadline, or I have this, and making it this like perfectionist box. Like, that won't work. We know that now. So just give yourself some grace and get back on track, and understand that this is for life. This is not just for a week or a month, or even until you reach your goal weight. Like, that's why people bounce back up to their old weight. They keep rebounding back because they're like, well, I'll just do it till I get to my goal weight. And they never fundamentally change their life. Baby, fundamentally change your life. If you need help with that, I got you. One more thing I've realized that I forgot. Snacks on snacks. So these are like, okay, do y'all know Pirate's Booty? So this is like the paleo version of Pirate's Booty. I have never tasted it, and I want to wait to taste it on Instagram, because I usually do taste tests on Instagram. So I'm going to taste these, but I bought these for the week too, just to have something kind of fun. Anyway, back to my rant. You guys, change your life. Fundamentally change your mindset. It's not for tomorrow. It's not for the next 20 pounds. It's not for that. It's for now and forevermore. Then you will never rebound. You will never rebound, because it's a change. It's a fundamental baseline change to who you are as a person. It's not temporary. So stop using food to cope with your emotions. Stop using food as a way to restrict or change things. Eat like a healthy person. And if you need help with that, baby, I am here for you. You can send me an email. I also have my food mindset course that's linked in the description box below. I promise I'm not as mean as I am on my, is there like a stain on my shirt? As mean as I am on on YouTube, but whatever. Okay, so that's the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.